going in here. Alright guys, we are back for the December 7th.
Oh, look at and I see.
Thank you. That's another special one?
Yeah. So we just ordered some pins. So there's gonna be like the ones like after 10 pins, after 50 or something. So.
Thank you. Yeah, cool now.
I want to take the jacket off. It's too hot.
Yeah, you're about to take it off, baby.
It's for you. And oh, you wanna let?
Thank you.
I'm holding that too.
Bring it back.
Thank you. Oh, so cute.
This one.
There's right here, baby. Come.
There's 3 tables. I'm not allergic. Or I'm not allergic to peanut butter. Mommy, I'm not.
Okay, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that.
It's good.
This is what he has here. This is the pen. Hey, baby, come on.
Mommy, it's gonna be hard to open this. It's gonna be hard to open this. It's gonna spill.
This one goes inside here.
No.
You're helping us too.
That's right, baby. Leave it, leave it. That's the last thing you put. You're welcome. It's a packed house today. Don't be sorry. No, I'm showing you. Look, put this, the tree.
Right here? Mom,
Yeah.
can I paint this?
Yep. It does.
Oh my God, Grace.
That's the full of it.
You see the sticker.
Daddy's not letting me get paint.
See, look, you're supposed to put the tree on top here, baby.
Where's the snowman? I want
nicely, okay? He's asking for paint. I don't know where he went. Look at him, my baby. He's such a big one. Good job. Be careful, be careful, be careful. It's not going down.
Same thing. You gotta do it on the floor. This table is never good enough.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. It's a lot easier. It's
Paint on the floor.
no, paint on the table. Okay, paint. Come on.
I want to paint all that down.
Watch it. Watch your hand. Jay's meant to go get some popcorn. Is that your popcorn? Okay. What's wrong?
I'm telling this lady, excuse me.
Okay.
And she's not even moving.
It's okay, baby. You don't need to do the bottom. You can't see it. Let me see your certificate. Ooh, did you have fun? This is so cute. Bye bye. See you. Jace, let me see your sticker. Beautiful. All right, guys. Today's class is finally over. Jace, wait. This is such a cute activity for the kids today. This is the last one of 2024. So, see you in the next vlog. Bye.